Good morning, friends. Uh, this is trade plan for 21st of Jan 2021. I waited, all night to talk about the market and the plan for today because there were issues regarding Biden's inauguration and what he would say post that inauguration. I don't think he said anything that could derail the market. So right now, let's start first with the S&P 500. S&P 500, as you can see, has clearly had a breakaway gap from this sort of sideways formation. So definitely a fresh leg of up move has been started in global markets. Overall, the expectation is that instead of taxes, etc., which people were expecting, Biden is more likely to focus on relief. So that being said, let's look at the SGX Nifty right now. SGX Nifty, I think, again, from a very sideways type of pattern, it is breaking out. So very similar, uh, action is happening on SGX Nifty from Friday's close. You are going to open at new highs, and B, a fresh leg seems to be starting out. So while it is expiry today, but it appears that it could be a very positive sort of expiry, and the market could close higher. Now, my expectation is that if we are able to maintain uh, 14,700, you could have another 50 to 70 points on the upside. So that is the broad view, and also I think particularly Bank Nifty yesterday had a very narrow range, and that is sometimes taken as a setup before an expansion. So my sense is that if Bank Nifty can break out of this 32,600, there could be decent follow through on the upside. So again, the expectation is higher from the Bank Nifty. Overall, Biden did not, I think Biden has revoked Trump's policies on visas, etc. So it is possible that you have Reliance, IT, banks, all sort of performing together. So it's important to see what happens post the gap up, and often on expiry days people expect ranging moves, but I think given where global markets stand, we could have a fairly positive expiry, and several stocks look like they could break out to new highs. FIIs have come back with about 23 crores, 2,300 crores of buying. So There is fairly decent institutional interest, but I would think that by the end of today, I would expect the market to close at new highs. And if we just look at the daily chart, Bank Nifty came down for 3 days, is now just standing in front of this doorway to new highs. If we see the Nifty, that has almost achieved new highs. Excuse me. After a couple of days worth of correction. So all the shorts sitting at previous highs, they could get further into trouble. So the plan is that we see what kind of consolidation we get at new highs, and then we take it from there. Uh, I think there will be more upside given Biden's plans for more stimulus. That should be it for now. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.